Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying both system and studio-level audio. First, make sure your OS output device and volume are active and Roblox Studio isn't muted. Once done, open Explorer and confirm sound service exists, then insert a simple sound and set its sound ID to an RB's asset you uploaded. Play it in Studio's play mode to see if the asset loads. This isolates whether the problem is device level, asset level, or script related before deeper fixes. Now focus on how the sound is triggered and where it runs. You must play UI or local ambient sounds on the client and global sounds on the server. If you're calling play from a server script for client-only audio, nothing will be heard. Make sure scripts call play and aren't throwing runtime errors. Open output and search for asset or permission errors. Also verify sound properties like volume, max distance, and emitter. A zero volume or extreme attenuation will make audio seem broken. To finish, perform cleanup and reproduction steps. Restart Roblox Studio and clear temporary cache, then re-upload the audio as a supported format and confirm the new RB's assetted / works. Test in both play solo and a published test place because client-server behavior can differ. If problems persist, read the output for specific errors, try converting your file, for example to OGG, and test on another device. One key troubleshooting tip. Insert print statements around play calls to confirm the code path executes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.